Hello, very nice that you stepped by here. I'm gonna disassemble the rifle and show you which upgrade part I use for Snowwolf M24. Let's start by unscrewing those two screws. Now you can pick off the trigger guard by simply removing it. Lift the receiver off the body. There are two screws holding the trigger house. Unscrew the spring stopper screw. This makes it easier to take it apart from the receiver. This is a PDI trigger house for Snowwolf M24. The shears are made of carbon steel, which can take heavy springs, and the house is made of aluminium. The safety mechanism is working badly. There are also a trigger pull adjustment, which I find not working properly, so the trigger pull is quite heavy and serve as a safety. Pull out the spring stopper. Now you can remove the bolt. The cylinder is made of steel, same for the head. I'm just gonna go noob and use a piler to remove the head. Since it is steel, I'm not worried damaging it. There is a O-ring on the cylinder head, which give proper sealing. This is a M16O spring. The spring guide needs some maintenance, I see. The ball bearings are falling off. Made of steel at the rear and have an aluminium body. The rubber on the front helps suppress the stress when firing. VSR bolt handle may fit, and I picked a steel version, of course. Modification was needed. Cutting this part out so the handle could lock properly. To remove the outer barrel, first need to remove the magazine well by unscrewing two screws. Now you can unscrew the barrel. The hopup unit should just slip off. Remove the O-rings to get to the spacer. The spacer are custom made by me. I used the silicone rubber from a 16 gauge wire plus an O-ring. There are 3 screws holding the barrel. The unit also have O-ring inbuilt to give good sealing. This rubber was included with the unit. Pretty good, but too soft. This is a guarded 70-degree rubber. Nice, but very difficult to make it sit perfect so the BBs fly straight. I'm gonna get a harder version of the blue rubber. By the way, the hopup adjustment is located here. So you have to pull the bolt back first. Use a 1.5mm hex screwdriver to adjust. Very time consuming adjusting, but when set, it is perfect. Barrel spacer is highly recommended. It's helped the barrel to stabilize when firing. I used a modified Mad Bull 6.03 barrel, 650mm long, and I had to trim it down to 530mm. It has a flat edge with a counter with a piece of rubber and thread tape for sealing. You can see the comparison with the normal AG barrel. Since the barrel is trimmed, I had to give it a conical shape exit. Seems like my sniper just increased in velocity. After some maintenance and grease. Shooting close to 210 meters per second with 0 to BB, which is too hot. I need to decrease it. Thanks for watching. Happy airsofting.